I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using our home screen, then find and select here the settings. Scroll down and from the following list let's choose System. Here from System Options let's find and select Reset Options. Choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. So this will reset all network settings. If you are aware of this, let's tap Reset Settings and confirm the operation by tapping Reset Settings again. That's it. Network settings have been reset. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.